All right. Market's still coming down. That's the Dow. Yeah, market's still coming down. I closed out my QQQ puts. They did pretty well. I was up I think it was like 90% on one of them, and then the other one was like 40%. So that worked out pretty well. And then I took those. I took the profits from those, and I got in some Tesla puts. So we'll see. This is my first target, and then that's my second target. So we'll see if this thing keeps falling. I got one that expires this week, and that's for this target. And then I have another one that expires next week, and that's for this target. So we'll see, because maybe Tesla will just dump again tomorrow, or maybe it'll consolidate and then dump again, and we might hit both of those and drop all the way down. Because if you look, there's a lot of resistance right here at this level. So we might see Tesla hit like 250 and then start to trade sideways in this range right here, from 250 to like 220. So we'll see. But these using the money flow with options has been working out pretty well. You just want to make sure like it's in the downtrend. It's actually in a stage 4. Let's see what energy did. Oh, energy finally came down a little bit. Like finally. Holy shit, because that thing's just been going up. Utilities, we finally have a stage 4 signal. We got the 5 crossing the 20. Price is way below everything. RSI is below the 50 now. And the histogram on the TTM squeeze is about to cross. So I might look to get some XLU puts. And my target will probably be right here, because you got this point right here and then kind of lines up. Bam. So about 72 would be my target. And then if you scale that out, you have all these touches here. So that would probably be my first target. Then my second target would be somewhere around here. It's the bottom of these, and it's the bottom of these, and the top of that. So maybe 72 and 70. But I would get that put for like maybe like 2 months out, or a month or two out. So yeah, I might be looking at some XLU puts for options. We'll see. TLT, it's bonds. Bitcoin kind of went sideways. So I think we're gonna go down here. But hey, Zim's just, it's in its stage 4. But the RSI is getting close to this 30, so we may see it level out here. Let's see what the past looks like. Yeah. But this would be my next target going down. Would be around 31.76, 75. And then once it starts to climb, this would be my first target and my second target. But yeah, we could look for Zim to maybe fall down to this level. If it hits this, I'm gonna scoop up some more shares. Like without the money flow or anything, I'm gonna just scoop up some more shares at this level if it gets to this level. Newmont. Let's zoom in. Yeah, it's just falling. I would wait. Eventbrite. Oh, I would wait. You could get some, but I would wait. That's something I would see what it does tomorrow. Because if it's here and then it comes back up, holds in here. Yeah, but if it just keeps falling, I would wait. Warner Brothers. That's not bad. I didn't add to anything today. I just messed around with options. Yeah, Warner Brothers is looking pretty good. It's held this anchor point. So we'll see. SoFi, I would wait. It's just falling. Intel, same deal. Snapchat. Oh. Oh yeah, I was in some Snapchat puts too, and they actually hit my target, and I just got out when they did, and then it rebounded up a little bit. I think this was like another target, then I said never mind. So yeah, those Snapchat puts did well too. I think I think it was like 50% on one and like 30% on the other one. And then Mullen, god damn Mullen. Let's see if it can kind of trade sideways and hold, because the RSI bottomed out. MACD's coming back up, so let's see if need to add to that if it holds out. I'll be looking for that. But it's got to hold that for a couple days. Like that'll be for next week. T, same thing. Let's see if it can hold. Verizon. This is going to be something to build for next year. But same deal, it's just falling. OGN, that thing is just free falling. Same thing with this. AbbVie, let's see if we can get this to hold. It's looking a lot better than the rest of them. Stanley Black & Decker. I mean, we could see if it'll hold, but it looks like it's just falling too. Hasbro. And see if we can get some consolidation here. We might see it fall back down to these levels though. Yeah. Somewhere around here. Or even all the way down there. Who knows? Let me see what the 1 year is looking like. I would think it'd be somewhere in this level we're looking for. But I'm telling you, it's going to bounce back and it's going to go higher than this. It'll probably aim for around here. Hasbro to 90 by Christmas. I'm calling it. I just feel that one is like a no-brainer. Like when this bottoms out and starts to hold and it builds a good stage one, I'm gonna get in some Hasbro calls for I think they don't have any for December, but they got them for January. So I'm gonna get some Hasbro calls for January. Silver, that'll be something to look at for next week because it's just falling. Yeah. Same with this. I'm about to go look at the rest of those. This was Best Buy. I guess they had a great earnings. And then back to reality. But I like Best Buy because Ooh. The monthly is falling, and then now it's starting to come back up. Histogram's coming up. The TTM was in a tight squeeze, and now it's cooling off. So the direction usually, I still haven't gotten how to read the squeezes so hot yet. But what I'm noticing usually is that if it's like falling and it's in a squeeze and then coming out, usually it'll go in the opposite direction. The weekly, same thing, tried to break out. It's ready for a breakout. Histogram is coming up. And then on the daily, just waiting for it to bottom out. So I'm really watching this one. Best Buy. And it pays a dividend. Almost 5%. It's pretty good. Alright. Let's run through these real quick. Nope. I'm waiting for all of these for the RSI to go down, because these are all the REITs and finance stuff, closed-end funds that pay like like ABR 9%, 11%, 10%. This one I was looking at because the RSI is down there, but we needed to hold, and it's Tuesday. We'd have to hold for like 4 days. So wouldn't be looking at it. It's just a little huge ass anchor. But now this thing's falling. It's about to hit a stage 4. Could look at some puts for that once it actually hits the stage 4. Target would be around here. 1181. I'm just making like $11. Nah. 15%. That one is high. Those two are from the same group that makes GLV. That fund. They're all finally coming down. I've been waiting. Throw some money in the account and add to them. This one, it's a good spot to add to, but I want to wait for this to come down. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. I miss it. But those I really want to add like when they're low. Oh yes, I want to see these levels. $6. Yeah, none of those are ready yet. Amazon's coming down. Everything's coming down. Google. Lyft. Roblox, I've been waiting on Roblox. See if we can get this RSI down. That's how I saw Tesla. I was going through this. And it's like, oh shit. Apple's coming down. I guess I was looking at it for some reason. Ally Bank. I want this to come down so I can get some. I banked with Ally for years. Oh, what the heck? No, go back up. I want to see what happened with that. It's a huge gap up. And then it just said, meow. Might see around here. Yeah, the moral of the story today is everything is pretty much in a stage 4, getting ready to be in a stage 4. So get your money ready. Stocks are setting up to be bought. HBI. This one's looking like it might stop falling here. RSI's bottomed out. Histogram tried to come up once. Let's try it again and see if we can get this to turn. Ooh, McDonald's is coming. Oh, damn. Oh, yeah, that's right. Because of that lawsuit. Not lawsuit. They tried to file for a bankruptcy. The judge said no. Yeah, I think because it was because of a lawsuit. I gotta look it up again. Yeah. You might see it come down a little bit more, pull the RSI down, but this is probably like the bottom here, this level. It might come down and then come back up, but I think it's gonna hold here. Ooh, this is getting ready. This one pays monthly. I think it's like 3%. Oh, 4%. OGN. Pepsi. Pfizer. This is one that I'm looking at. It's all RSI is done. So we just need to wait for a stage 1 to build on that. Pfizer is setting up. This looks alright, but I would wait. I would wait because, like I said, the markets are just coming down. I like this stock better than gold because they're both gold mining companies, but this one's held its value a lot better. Dang, this thing's finally crossed over. It's been a long time. June. I guess it's not that long. Maybe we'll see it come down here, somewhere around this level. Ooh. We've looked at those. This one, I think, yeah. Yeah. Walgreens. Can get you like 50 shares here. So what would that be? It's 3,500. So 1,750. 25 would be 850, 875. Yeah, get you like 30 shares of that. Watch it run up by like $10. Pay 1,000, make 300. You could just hold it. 5% dividend. It's pretty good. 5% is a lot. Think about it, your interest rate on your bank is like 0.01. 5% is a lot. You get 1.25% every quarter. Zim. I think we've hit the bottom. Bam. Bam. It's the tops of those. Bam. The top of that. But yeah, I went over that. Alright.